Hello guys, welcome to my channel How to Fix OBS Studio and encoder error across value recording. This is a basic error. Step by step, follow the steps. First step, go to the click to open the OBS Studio. You will see the settings. Click to open. You will click to the output. You will see this method for output mode for click to advanced. After you click to the recording, click to open. You will see the type for custom output. Click to change the OK. After you will go to the click to apply. After change this is the common steps for OK. Click to apply. Click to OK. After next method for go to the search the device manager. Click to open. Will search for the display adapter. Double click for you see the NVIDIA GeForce RTX. You will click to the disable for device. Okay. After return for the enable device. Okay. Next step go to the Windows icon. Click to restart your PC. Problem solved. After click to open your OBS Studio. Click to the start recording option. Okay. Thank you for watching. Support our channel.